Hey guys, welcome back to Life on Greenwood. I'm doing a little DIY today using my rolling pin. Now I want to make this rolling pin a little Christmassy. I got it from Goodwill a couple weeks ago, so I want to upcycle it a little bit and make it Christmassy, if that's a word. And if you're interested in seeing how I DIY'd this rolling pin for Christmas, then stick around. So the first thing I need to do is paint the rolling pins. And I'm going to use some Waverly chalk paint from my stash, and you guys have heard me talk about Waverly as well as some other chalk paints that I've used over the last couple of years. And I'll insert a couple of videos so you can see how Waverly stands up against other chalk paints. Now I'll include a couple links somewhere so you can see that. But I'll be using Waverly today for these rolling pins. And that's the first thing I'm going to do is paint them. So let's get started. And next I'm going to cut some of the fabric that I bought. This fabric came from Walmart. So I'm going to cut some of the fabric that I bought, and then I'm going to use the Mod Podge to apply the fabric to the rolling pin. So let's do that now. Trash to Treasure thrift flip, and I am going to be participating in a collab with two young ladies from YouTube. So the co-hosts are Domestic Diva DIY and Sandra from Schwowin's Nest. And finally, I'm going to add a little ribbon just to top it off a little bit, and let's see how that works out. So I want to thank the ladies for hosting this collab. I'm so happy that I could jump in. And everyone, don't forget to go down in the description box and see all the other participants in this challenge. I'm sure you're going to see some fantastic trash to treasure projects. Hey guys, if you're new here, then thank you for stopping by Life on Greenwood. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And for my returning friends, thanks so much for coming back. I appreciate you. Happy holidays, everyone.